Hi, I'm Jill Galloway. I'm an artist educator at the Smithsonian's National Portrait Gallery. In today's Drawn to Figures lesson, we're taking a look at how to draw books. Now, the book is a symbol that shows up in portraiture over and over again throughout all of time, and it's always there to represent some part of the person's story. To add a book to a portrait, though, you need to know how to draw a book, and that means two-point perspective. So we're going to start there today, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. You don't need to have any skills. I'll walk you through it step by step. Okay, let's get started. For the most part, when you see a book as a symbol in a portrait, it means the person wrote something, is a scholar, or is an academic. The books show up in all kinds of interesting ways. Sometimes they're organized, and sometimes they're not. Each time they're placed there as a message to you, the viewer. What they mean in each case is up to you to wonder and discover. In today's art lesson, we'll be learning how to draw a stack of books in perspective. The supplies you'll need are a pencil, paper, ruler, and something to color with if you want to add color. First, draw a horizon line. This is the line that often separates the ground from the sky, and in this case, it's the focal point of the two-point perspective. Depending on where the line is, you might see under the books, you might see straight onto the books, or you might be looking down at the books. Next, draw a line vertically down the middle of your horizon line. Mark off 2 dots, one toward each end of the horizon line. These are called vanishing points. Now mark off 2 points on the vertical line, top and bottom. Connect the vanishing points to the 2 dots on the vertical line, creating a diamond. Use a ruler and draw these lines lightly. You'll want to erase them later. Think about how many books you'll want in your stack and then how thick each book will be. You'll be making marks down the vertical line for each book, top and bottom. And then you'll connect each of these dots to the vanishing point. Each book might be a different size, so to size your books, you'll add vertical lines toward the vanishing points, marking the ends of the books. Add as many details to each book as you would like. The covers will be a bit longer than the pages, so at the ends you might need to trim in your page line. The portraits at the National Portrait Gallery are all talking to you in some way through their symbols and their elements of portraiture. Books are just one of those symbols. Thanks so much for joining me for today's Drawn to Figures lesson. We would love to see how your book drawings turned out. If you wouldn't mind posting your work on social media with the hashtag MyMPG, then we can all check it out. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.